Hi, I'm Dari Frants, and today I'll show you how to do the frame, 3D frame in Blender. This is our Blender project. Let's delete the cube and add mesh plane. And I'm holding S and increasing a little bit my plane. Okay, now let's change the mode to edit, and I'm holding I and moving my mouse right, just moving it. I'm changing the size of the borders. Okay, I think it looked nice. Now I will choose face selection mode, and we have this plane chosen, and let's delete it. I press delete and I choose faces. Okay, so inside is empty and we have our future frame. Let's do it a little bit like better. Let's fade in. Okay, now let's choose. Now I'm holding shift and choosing all the planes. You can release the shift and let us turn a little bit and let us change a little bit the view. I'm holding E and moving the mouse up, changing the form of our frame. Okay, enough. Okay, let's do something like something more interesting. Let's hold I and holding E again. Let's turn it. It will be something like that. Okay, select everything, all the planes, in shift. Everything is selected, and let us change the color of our frame. Let's go to material properties and choose the new material. Actually, I'm looking for base color, dark red. I think it works. That's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye.